Hey guys, it's Wendy. I'm preparing for the next leg of my tour, which is going to be Colorado, starting August 5th. And when Mikey and I got back from Portland, the first leg of our tour, we got back a little fat because we ate a lot. We ate in restaurants. We started out really good with a cooler. We cooked on the road, but once we were a couple weeks out, we were just eating kind of anything everywhere. So I don't want to do that this time. I want to get it right. So this is a Juice Man juicer we've been using for years. I found another one just like it, 25 bucks on eBay used. We just picked up this 400 watt inverter. I'm going to travel with this on the road along with this battery. And I'm going to juice my way through Colorado. So right now we have a kilowatt plugged in just to see how much the wattage is of the juicer. And as Mikey was saying to me, they're often rated higher than they need to be. And that's what it looks like is the case. So I'm just going to run some juice through just to show you my new and independent system. Here we go. So you get the idea. So we've been home from that trip where we ate too much in Portland. We've been home for about a week and a half, and I've been on a juice fast ever since. We already took off 5 pounds each. So we're psyched. We feel good. I feel like I got micronutrients. Here we go.